Hey everyone! The Honor MagicBook Art 14 2025 and the MacBook Air M4 represent two very different approaches to the Ultrabook. Both are designed for people who want a thin, light, and premium laptop that can still deliver strong day-to-day performance. But the way each company interprets that goal creates some clear distinctions. Starting with design, the MagicBook Art 14 makes portability its headline feature. At just 1.03 kilos, it is lighter than almost any competitor, including Apple's Air. Its magnesium alloy body feels sturdy while still being incredibly slim, and the overall profile is sleek without sacrificing durability. The MacBook Air M4, on the other hand, sticks to Apple's minimalist design language, clean lines, solid aluminum build, and an attention to detail that remains unmatched. It is slightly heavier at 1.24 kilos, but the extra weight contributes to a more rigid chassis. Both laptops are thin, attractive, and practical, but the MagicBook's featherweight build will appeal more to travelers, while the MacBook Air feels like the sturdier, longer-lasting option. The screen is one of the clearest differentiators. Honor equips the MagicBook with a 14.6-inch OLED display at 3120 by 2080 resolution, supporting 120 Hz refresh rate, HDR up to 1600 nits peak brightness, and touch input. The panel looks vivid, with perfect blacks and smooth motion, making it one of the best displays you can get on a laptop in this category. Apple's MacBook Air M4 uses a 13.6 or 15.3-inch liquid retina IPS display. While it offers excellent color accuracy, brightness at 500 nits, and support for True Tone, it doesn't reach OLED's contrast or touch capability. Apple's panel is still beautiful and well-calibrated, but Honor's screen technology simply feels more advanced for media consumption and creative tasks. When it comes to hardware, the comparison becomes more nuanced. The MagicBook Art 14 relies on Intel's Core Ultra 7255H, offering up to 16 cores and 32 gigs of fast LPDDR5X RAM. Storage starts at 1 terabyte, and the machine comes with a generous port selection: 2 USB-C, 1 USB-A, HDMI 2.1, and a headphone jack. This flexibility is a big advantage for users who don't want to rely on dongles. The MacBook Air M4, powered by Apple's M4 chip, benefits from unified memory and a highly efficient architecture. Its fanless design keeps it silent while still delivering strong CPU and GPU performance for everyday workloads, media editing, and multitasking. However, its expandability is limited to soldered memory and storage, and ports are restricted to 2 Thunderbolt 4 USB-C connectors, MagSafe, and a headphone jack. The Air's strength lies in its optimized performance-to-power ratio, while the MagicBook provides raw specs, expandability, and port variety. Battery life is another area where Apple holds the edge. The MacBook Air M4 delivers up to 18 hours of video playback or 15 hours of web use, making it an endurance champion that can easily last a full workday or more without needing a charge. The MagicBook Art 14, with its 60-watt-hour battery, averages 7 to 8 hours for light office use and drops significantly under heavy tasks, closer to 4 hours with video editing or 2.5 hours with gaming. Honor's fast 65-watt charging is convenient, but Apple's superior battery efficiency sets a clear standard in this category. In conclusion, choosing between the Honor MagicBook Art 14 2025 and the MacBook Air M4 depends on what you value most. The MagicBook offers an OLED touch display, lighter build, generous RAM and storage, and a wide selection of ports, making it an attractive choice for those who want versatility and cutting-edge screen technology in an ultralight package. The MacBook Air M4, meanwhile, focuses on seamless performance, unmatched battery life, and Apple's polished ecosystem. It may have fewer ports and less flexible hardware, but its efficiency, build quality, and long-term reliability make it an ideal everyday machine. The MagicBook is the better fit for users who want maximum specs and visual flair in a portable design, while the Air remains the more dependable all-rounder for those who prioritize stability, battery endurance, and the Apple experience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. Have a nice day, and see you soon.